就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hello everyone, it's time for Practical Hakka here on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. And this month we're teaching you a phrase when you want to say something wonderful, or if someone does something wonderful and you want to say that to them, it's 好棒哦。
很不哟。
很不哟 which could mean wonderful, great, or excellent. 其实英文有好多种说法。你有一些天分吗？比如说你会画画吗？
画画，照着画，
照着画，真的不容易。有些人真的有这种天分。好，我们今天就来听一个这样的对话，就是有人画画还不错，然后呢就被恭维说好棒哦这样子。Okay, let's listen to this conversation about someone who has talents in drawing.
也都都係唔花嘅希望，很不哟。
係呀，我花咗當到時間練習。
我咪想我去學畫圖。
OK， 所以呢，引起對方也想要去學畫圖。
學畫圖？
對，畫畫就對了哦。OK，let's break down these phrases one by one. 這些都是你畫的嗎？好棒哦。Are all these painted by you? This is excellent.
也都係唔花嘅希望。
也都係唔花嘅希望。
很不哟。
很不哟 ，OK， 很不哟，當然就是好棒哦。這些也都係都是
唔花嘅希望。
唔花嘅希望。All drawn by you, right, okay, 沒錯，就是這樣子的 breakdown， 很好。那對方說，對啊，我花了很多時間練習。Yep, I spent a lot of time practicing.
係啊，我
花的，
動到時間練習。
動到時間練習 ，OK， 練習嘛，然後花了很多時間，動到時間，
對，動到時間，
很多時間 ，Yeah。那當然啟發了對方也想去學畫畫了 ，right？ 我也想去學畫畫 ，I want to go learn painting too。
我咪想愛去學畫圖。
學畫圖，學就是學嘛，對不對？然後畫圖就是畫圖那樣子的意思。To paint and to learn painting， 學畫圖。Okay, so let's teach you some of the phrases that we brought out here, including time, right? Takes time, 時間 to do what? To practice, 練習 Okay, and we're talking about painting, 畫圖 All right, let's listen to the conversation again.
也都係唔花嘅希望，很不哟。
係呀，我花咗當到時間練習。
我咪想愛去學畫圖。
And this whole month, it's all about the phrase wonderful, excellent, 好棒哦，
很不哟，
要掌聲鼓勵。All right, thank you so much for listening to this edition of Practical Hakka.
是唔太假？
俺只say張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.